Hmm. Okay, guys, I know it has been so long that I posted here. We are just into something else. Guys, this is an update to what I've been, teaching you guys. I believe some of you who have chatted me up through my Telegram and WhatsApp. Most of you, I know you are so happy right now because you are getting value for what you ventured into. My name is still remain Lucky Jasper. I don't hide my identity because I'm not a scammer. I've not scammed anybody before, and I am not into going to scam anybody. This is what I just do to help the society to make sure that some of us who are really finding it so difficult to make or to see returns on Bet9ja have his or her returns. And all right, so what I'm saying is that this is not a scam. This is not a kind of a magic, just a walking trick. It's a strategy, and I developed the strategy to show you and to teach you and to help you to recover your losses. I mean, your losses. It's not something you can do to become billionaire overnight. It's something you just to earn passively. For me, I make close to 5,000 naira profit here every day. Every day. Like the least, and I am not bragging over this. So, without wasting much of your time, I just want to use in the next 10 minutes to show you how this works. I'll not go into explanation. This is just kind of a show of how this thing works. So, if you want to know how it works, you want to be able to work out the trick yourself, use the link below to hang up with me. I assure you, I'm not going to charge you. It is all free. It's all free, yeah. And I'm very confident that you will see value. Okay, we are starting with this trick. We are in the next draw, that is 2-7 draw. Let's wait for 2-7. All right, guys. We okay. We'll fade this particular draw. So when we get to 500, I'll stop. Okay, guys. As you can see, from 200 to 300 to 400 right now. But when we get to 500, I'll stop. This is not something you do to become the richest man on earth. You just do it to earn passively, as I stated earlier before now. Please take time and check me out. In this draw, this kind of draw is very confusing. So, but in our next draw, we'll be able to play. Okay, guys, this will be the last game for today. Please use the links below to hang up with me. I really want to help as many as possible. As many as possible. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.